For you, those of you who want to know how to turn off the maintenance required light when it comes on, you want to make sure that you're not in your trip odometer, you're in your regular mileage. What you're going to need to do is turn the ignition key off, push the button down to reset your trip odometer and hold it, and while holding it, turn the ignition key on. Your maintenance light will come on and turn back off. Release the button, turn the ignition key off, and your maintenance required light is reset.